In about 10 years, you're going to wake up in a house you might not like, heading to a job that feels like a heavy coat you can't take off, and you'll wonder exactly which version of you made these decisions. Most people think financial ruin happens in a single, catastrophic moment, a market crash or a bankruptcy. But that's a lie. Your financial future isn't destroyed by big disasters. It's quietly eroded by a series of small, comfortable wins. Think about the last time you got a raise or a bit of extra cash. Your first instinct wasn't, how does this buy my freedom? It was, what can I finally afford? This is the trap of the upgraded life. We've been conditioned to believe that as our value in the marketplace grows, our cost of existence must grow with it. We trade our increasing rare potential for slightly better leather seats and a faster internet connection. But here's the thing. You aren't actually buying a lifestyle. You're renting an identity. And the rent is your time. If you want to transform your future in the next 4 minutes, you have to stop viewing money as a tool for consumption and start seeing it as a tool for autonomy. Most people are working to support a version of themselves that they don't even like that much. A lot of us are running a race we never signed up for, guided by an invisible script written by people who don't even know us. We buy things we don't need, with money we don't have, to impress people we don't even like. But have you ever noticed that the more you possess, the more those possessions start to own you? True wealth isn't the ability to spend. It's the ability to say no. It's the no to a toxic boss, the no to a soul-crushing project, the no to a life lived on someone else's schedule. Every time you resist the urge to inflate your lifestyle, you aren't depriving yourself. You are literally buying back days, months, and years of your future life. We treat boredom like an emergency that needs to be solved with a credit card. We spend to fill the gaps in our fulfillment, hoping a new purchase will finally make us feel like we've arrived. But the finish line in the consumer race is a mirage. It moves 10 feet back for every step you take forward. The only way to win is to stop running. We often talk about compounding interest in a bank account, but we rarely talk about the compounding of our habits. Every time you choose status over freedom, you're training your brain to value the opinions of strangers over your own peace of mind. That habit hardens. It becomes a cage. I want you to look at your bank statement, not as a list of transactions, but as a map of your anxieties. If your spending is tied to keeping up appearances, you're not building a life. You're building a stage set. If this perspective shift feels like the wake-up call you've been waiting for, consider joining us here. We're building a community that values freedom over status, and I'd love for you to be part of these weekly conversations. Subscribe if you're ready to start owning your time instead of just selling it. Because when you stop needing to prove your success, you finally have the resources to achieve it. This isn't about being frugal. It's about being free. It's about making sure that when you wake up in 10 years, you aren't looking back at a decade of wasted potential, but looking forward to a lifetime of choice. Money, when used correctly, is the key that opens them. It's the margin that allows you to breathe when everyone else is suffocating under the weight of their own choices. The version of you that exists in 2035 is already watching. What are you going to trade for their freedom today? Your next decision isn't just a purchase. It's a vote for the person you're becoming. Make sure you actually like that person.